you have to read, and then we will do the questions related to it. Okay, so this is just the beginning. Like, this is what I got from the internet. Like, I just took a
Okay.
very small topic. So let's
Uh-huh.
focus on this first, and then we can proceed to the other things, right? Ariana, okay? You have to read it, and I would like to give you one tip here. Whenever you read, okay, just just understand. You're reading not only to read. You're reading to understand. It's not like if I asked you to read, then you just have to read the words. No, you would have to understand. Okay? Keep these things in your mind because the questions are going to come like this. Another thing is whenever you see a passage, because here we are talking, particularly talking about a passage, I would first suggest you to read the questions first. That's what I feel is the easiest way. Read all the questions first and then go to the passage. Because once you will read the questions, they will be there in your mind. And when you will read the passage, you will recall these questions. Okay, so first let's read out the question.
Okay. What was the first steam engine built?
Hmm. Next question.
Some trains use diesels,
Diesel. It's Diesel. Diesel.
diesels fuel, and some use enteric.
It's Electricity. Look.
Oh, e electric.
E. Then what is LEC?
Uh,
E. And then what is LEC?
ec-
Lec. E. Lec. Then
trick.
TRI makes trick. First TRI.
Electric.
Electric. But with C we have other words as well. So that's why I'm saying TRI. What TRI makes?
Elect. Elect.
Electric. It's electric. And
Electricity.
yes,
Electricity.
electricity. Yes. Some trains use diesel fuel and some use electricity. Okay, then next question, Ariana.
Okay. Which type of trains use diesel
Hmm.
fuel?
Okay. Have you heard about petrol?
Uh,
What is
huh?
petrol? What is petrol?
The gas which we put it in the car.
Uh, it's a gas.
It's a fuel, right? We put it in the car due to which our car moves. Okay. Similar is the diesel. So these are the two, you can say, power fuels that are used to make our car or any vehicle run, except cycle, obviously. Okay. Yeah. So the next one is
Electric trains run underground through
mine, tunnel, and cave. So these are the four. Okay, one more is there. Read this question.
which is the fastest train in the world and why?
Okay. So these are the 5 questions, and you have to answer. Now let's read the passage. Okay. Come on.
The first steam engine to pull a passenger train was built nearly 200 years ago.
Now,
It
whatever comes to your mind, oh, one second, Mariana, like whatever you think is a difficult word for you and you don't know its meaning, please let me know. Do you know what is a passenger train?
uh,
Who is a passenger?
the passenger is a guest.
Okay, yeah, we can say if we are traveling in a train, we are the passengers, right? Have you ever traveled in a train?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, so it looks like this, and the
Actually, yeah.
yeah,
Japan,
well,
But I didn't like stay there for the night.
okay. See, passengers, we are the passengers. If we are traveling in train, we are the passengers. So the first steam engine to pull a passenger train was built nearly 200 years ago. Next, read it.
It took 2 hours to travel 400,
No,
40 kilometers.
kilometers. Okay. Do you know what is this kilometers?
Uh, it's
the way we measure distance here in miles, in other countries it is measured in kilometers.
Kilometer is a unit to measure the distance. Okay. Kilometer is a unit to measure a distance. Just like you draw a line of 5 centimeter, you draw a line and then you measure it with scale. That is for that scale is for small distance. But when you are traveling, let's say from one city to another city, the distance is too much, right? Then you measure it in kilometers. Okay, this is a unit to measure the distance. Read it.
okay. The early steam trains burned coal to boil water and make steam.
Yeah. Do you know what is coal?
It's like a rock.
Yeah, rock kind of thing. And when you burn it, you can burn it, and smoke will come out of it, and you can even cook food on coal, right? So it gives you heat and light energy, right? Okay. They use
Wait, we skipped.
oh sorry, yeah, sorry. Trains have
Trains have changed a lot over time. Wait, can I read?
yeah, please read it.
Okay. They use different sports of power.
It's sorts. SORTS.
Sorts of power to help them travel faster and use less fuel. Some trains use
Diesel. It's
diesel,
diesel.
fuel, and some use electricity.
Yeah, some trains use diesel fuel and some other use electricity.
Trains that use diesel fuel have large, heavy engines that use less fuel than other engines. In many cities, passenger trains run on electricity. Some electric trains run underground through tunnels. One of the fastest trains in the world is called the Bulletin Train.
It's bullet train. Bullet train. It is the fastest train, and why we have given the name of this train as bullet train? Because it moves as fast as a bullet. Because bullet is very fast, right? The bullet that we put in the gun, right? So it is as fast as the bullet. That's why the name of this train is bullet train. Okay? This is the fastest. Okay.
It's just like
yeah, it moves very fast. It moves very fast. So we have given the name as bullet train.
Okay. It is a Japanese electric train. It can travel at 300 kilometers per hour.
Yeah, it can travel 300 kilometers per hour. So what is the meaning of this per?
They can wait. I couldn't hear you.
what is the meaning of this word per? Per hour. Per. What is this per?
Oh, like half an hour?
No. When I say per, let me give you an example. Um, 5 chocolates will be given to per child. Means 5 chocolates will be given to each child. Per means each.
Oh.
One. Yes. Per hour means 1 hour. Per means each hour. Okay. Per means one or each. Right. Per head means per person. Right. So did you understand the passage? So what exactly, like if I ask you to give a title to this passage, that means give a good title name to this passage, what will you do? Which title will you give?
I will say different trains.
Different trains. Okay. Can you make it a bit creative?
Fastest trains.
But there is only one line which is talking about fastest train. Come on, come on. Anything creative, like related to trains.
The fastest train in the world.
But here we are not talking about only the fastest train. We are talking about